The sculpture that I'm building is for the Harvard School of Public Health. It wasn't built at the time when I was commissioned to do the piece, and all I received was a blueprint to build a sculpture for this triangular atrium. The blueprints I received are used here as a background for a scale model of the sculpture. These photographs show two views of the way it will look in the 7-story atrium. The materials of the sculpture are umbrella frames and fiberglass fabric. This is one of the 27 umbrella frames that will be used in the sculpture. We arrived in Boston to assemble my sculpture on site at the new François Xavier Bagnoud building of the Harvard School of Public Health. The support rigging system for the sculpture had been installed during construction and was already in place, ready to attach the umbrella frames and the fabric panels.
Come by here. Yeah, he is a nice one.
Yeah, there's 7 in between. A special room was constructed to house a mechanical device that raises and lowers the sculpture. After installation was completed, I felt the sculpture was not only well integrated with the space as I intended, but it really came alive, like a huge butterfly emerging from its cocoon.